Hello and welcome back to another video. Sorry about that. Have another kit set up to show you. I'm kind of pumping the videos out this week. This is a monthly setup in my Fauxbo Kit. This is the new release. This is my February kit. It's based on my Love Heart kit for February, which is kind of my Valentine's kit. It's like a pastel rainbow theme with lots of love hearts and sweets and kind of jelly beans and stars and rainbows and kind of nice colourful things. So I'm going to show you how I set this up. I'm also going to take you through kind of where I store it and how I get on. So, as I said in my previous video, I have been in here since October. I didn't do a monthly for October because I kind of wanted to jump straight in, and it was kind of towards the end of October that I started it. So November was my first monthly setup. It was also my first monthly kit. It originally started my November kit as one page, and as I was setting it up and after talking to my PR girls who had a look at it, we decided that actually I needed to include a few more elements into it. So it became kind of a two-page kit. So I'll show you, I store them in the back of my Fauxbo Kit in the pocket, and they fit kind of perfectly. They're a really nice width for it. I actually have old kits in here. I have January's and December's kits, so I'll show you those. I store them at the back because I don't tend to get them out much. So you saw November's, kind of an autumny themed one with leaves. December's was obviously Christmas, and you can see I've used quite a bit of it, but I did have a few stickers left as well, a few bits of deco and stuff that I could add in if I wanted. January, that was based on my Winter Wonder kit. Again, I really like the colours and it kind of fit perfectly for January. And we're still in January, so I still got a few bits to add to it. And then we have February's kit. So I'll just talk you through the kit quickly so you can see what you get, and then I'll go about setting it all out. So you get a monthly sticker here, and then you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 9 full boxes that you can use to fill in the spaces that obviously there aren't days for, but you could also use them within the month if something was coming up, or you had a day off, or you wanted to write over the top of it. They're very versatile. You can use them obviously any way that you like. You can get some deco. You get some sticky notes, which I kind of use as boxes, and then you have your date dots or date squares, your days of the week, a couple of strips of washi. Get some build you stickers. These are like little half boxes. You get a couple of bits of extra deco around here. These are little birthday bobs that you can stick in to celebrate birthdays. A couple of movie icons and payday icons and some coffee cups. If there's anything on the monthlies that you normally use that you don't see on my kits that you would like me to put in, there's always room for manoeuvre. As I said, this is kind of developing from month to month. Each one's slightly different. This month I've added in an extra half box because after using them myself I felt that I needed a few more of them. So I'm rejigging them as we go. Anyway, so there's the kit. I'm going to start putting things down. I don't have loads to add in for February yet, in terms of kind of things coming up, dates and stuff, but I can lay down the main body of it all. Okay, so I've stuck in my days of the week, the washi strips, and these 4 boxes. I've stuck this one in on Valentine's Day in a little love heart. It says I love you, which is a little thing between me and my husband. We are huge fans of Futurama, and there's an episode where the Planet Express team have to deliver these little the little love heart sweets to Planet Omicron Persei 8, and Lure gets the sweets, the love hearts, and he eats them and says they're gross and all chalky and yucky. And he picks one out and it says I love you with an Earth W, and it confuses and infuriates them. And it's something that we've kind of always said to each other, I love you, or the concept of love confuses and infuriates us. And it's kind of, that's where the idea of the kit came from, that Futurama episode. We're pretty big on Futurama. My youngest, Leela, is actually named after a character in there. That's where it all comes from. So I have this for Valentine's Day. I remembered that I do actually have some things that I need to put in. I've got half term starts this week, and I'm going to put a big one in, a big sticky note in for here, because we are flying to Dublin and seeing my favourite band ever, Supergrass. They're playing in Belfast on the 17th. So we're flying out to Dublin and then driving to Belfast to see them and spending a couple of days around there. I think we come back on the 19th, which I'm going to leave for the moment, and I'll put a sticker in if I have to. And I've confirmed with my husband. I don't think I've got any birthdays in February. I will get paid on 28th, last day of the month, last working day of the month, and that's it. So that's kind of my spread for February. So there we have it. This is what I have left to work with for the rest of the month. So I've got my Bujo's, a couple of half boxes, lots of decor that I can stick in, some sticky notes, coffee cups, birthdays, movie icons, and another little payday. I'm going to stick these along with the January ones because I still need to use those. I'm going to put them in the back of here, ready to pull out when I need them. And there we go. So this kit is available this week sometime. I will link my shop below. Please have a look. As I said, the previous kits are in there. Obviously you'll have to wait a while before you use them, but there will be a new kit coming out for every month, and I'm hoping when we get round to November again to start putting new ones out, so there'll be like a choice between different kits for each year. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.